This is how you complete your choice board for the week. First, find exploratory language in Canvas. Then, on the left-hand side, not the blue menu, the white menu right here, modules. And then go all the way to the bottom. Right here, it says Choice Board M1 Week 5, Module 1, Week 5. Here are your instructions. You need to visit the choice board 3 days a week. One day that you have class, on Wednesday, and then on the second day that you have class. Everything's due Sunday at midnight. You're going to choose 2 things from each column. And when you've completed the assignment, you should hit Submit in Canvas. Make sure you read all the instructions on the choice board to yourself. Read them out loud, move your lips while you're reading. It's very important. The assignment is right here where it says Load Work. So you click it, and it should open up a Google Doc for you. You might have to choose your school account and hit Accept. Just do it. Okay, so, again, complete 2 assignments in each column. I color-coded the columns for you. Each column is worth 10 points, making 3 classwords. So column 1 is 10 points, column 2 is 10 points, column 3 is 10 points. The point of the choice board is that you choose what you think is best. So for your first day of class, you have Quizlet practice, find your vocabulary list in Canvas, study and learn mode until you have mastered 20 from each list. This is if you have more than 1. This week you do not have more than 1. You need to be a member of our Quizlet class, so type your username in Quizlet right here. To do that, you go back to Canvas, always modules, and your vocabulary for the week is at the bottom where it says Module 1, Week 5. Right here, vocabulary for the week. When it says Learn Mode, you're going to choose the second option right here, Learn. And you're going to practice until you get to 20 known well. To find your username, you go to your profile picture, click it, and hit Settings. And then at the very bottom of the settings page, all the way at the bottom, right here, it says Delete Count, and then it tells you your name. Don't delete your account, but this right here, you're going to hit Control-C, and then go back to your choice board and hit Control-V to paste your username. So that's Quizlet practice. You have vocabulary pictures practice, where you're going to create a Google Slides in which you use at least 30 of the words in Spanish and you insert a picture. So depending on what section you are, if you click this link, it'll take you to the assignment. You just open it up. And the first slide is done for you as an example. 1 word per slide. So you're just going to put the word in Spanish. That's it. And then you're going to put in a picture by going to Insert, Image, Search the word. Make sure you choose a picture that makes sense with the word. And then your third option is to do rainbow writing. Again, using your vocabulary list for the week on a piece of paper. You're going to write 20 of your words in Spanish and English in 3 different colors. Then you'll take a picture of your writing and insert it here. So this is my example. I didn't do 20 words for my example. You should do 20. And then to insert it at the bottom, just go to the bottom of the document, go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and then find the picture that you took and just insert it right there. Column 2 is for Wednesday. You have videos, watch the video, answer the questions. When you answer the questions, they are worth points, so make sure you go back to the video. You also have a free space, which allows you to go back and finish something from column 1 or go forward to column 3, which is fun. And then you have another video. For column 3, you have a crossword puzzle for your vocabulary words. You're going to complete the crossword in Spanish. You have the vocabulary words in English, and you have to type the words in Spanish. When you're done with it, you're going to take a screenshot of your completed screen. I gave you my example right here. And you're just going to insert that picture at the bottom of this document. You have another video and questions to choose from, and you have another video and questions to choose from. So those are all your choices. You only need 2 per column. When you know which one you want to do, it's really simple. You're just going to click in the square. You're going to hit the paint bucket. My paint bucket's not showing, so I need to hit this arrow. Nope, my paint bucket's still not showing. Here's my paint bucket. Oh, I need to hit the 3 dots. Paint bucket. And then since it's already blue, I'm so sorry, just choose a different color if blue's your favorite color. There we go. So I'll know which one you choose because you're going to change the color of it. 2 per column. Just change the color so that I know which 2 you chose. If you don't change the color of anything, I won't know which you chose and I won't know what to grade. And then when you're done with the whole thing, look at my mouse right here, right here. There'll be a blue button that says submit or turn in. I don't have it because I'm in teacher mode. You need to hit that button right there so that your work gets turned in.